Right, I finished painting the workshop floor. Obviously had to move the submarine out for that. Everything's in a complete mess. But due to a little bit of bad planning, this paint takes 6 hours to dry, and it's now 3:30. So I'm gonna have to put the boat in while the paint is still wet. meters. These aren't actually part of the plan, but it seems a bit rude not to buy them. Just really carefully trying to only stand on the dry bits of the floor. So the company that are manufacturing the pressure hull, or partly built pressure hull for me, have sent me a couple more pictures. All looks good. I think they wanted me to verify that I was happy with the profile of the tower reinforcement nozzle, which is this bit here, because I was very specific about how that was cut, and basically the cut has to be normal to the surface, to the outside edge. Which is, anyway, they did it with a flat pattern. And it all looks very good from the pictures. So now they're gonna get it all welded up. The rings are done. Ready to go on, and they're just having a little bit of an issue with the roundness of the hull still. So they're telling me that they're sending it off to another company with a bigger machine that hopefully should get it into the correct tolerance. But for the meantime, I've got to get the boat back in without making too much of a mess of my newly painted floor and without ruining my tyres. Think it's going to work? And the idea is to go in at not the same angle that I usually do, so that then I can move it and paint the tracks another time. Well, the cling film is unravelled, so I think we'll call that a partial success. It's assuming that I can get this up off the floor, which is going to be a pain.